To our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use Adobe Acrobat for office work. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use Adobe Acrobat for office work, all you gotta do is simply go to Adobe Acrobat. So once you're in your Adobe Acrobat, you need to simply tap it on. And now for your essential office work, it offers tools to edit, sign, and convert, as well as manage PDF documents. It enables user to edit text and images directly, combine multiple files into a single PDF, and create fileable forms. For daily tasks, it streamlines document workflows by allowing for secure, cloud-based collaboration, commenting, and electronic signatures. So these way can be used in your Adobe Acrobat for making your office work much more streamlined and easier. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.